Fertility Within Reach: Become Your Own Best Advocate by Tanya Gonzalez. Mission and Vision. The vision of Fertility Within Reach is a national nonprofit that increases access to fertility treatment and benefits by educating patients, policymakers, and service providers and proprietary with and evidence-based data through personalized consultations, workshops, and legislative testimonies. Fertility Within Reach has a vision of a time when everyone who wishes to build a family has access to the tools in which to do so. You can contact Fertility Within Reach at the address below. The phone number is 857-638-8674. The website is www.fertilitywithinreach.org. What is infertility, you ask? According to the World Health Organization, female infertility is a disease of the reproductive system defined by the failure to achieve a clinical pregnancy after 12 months or more of irregular unprotected sexual intercourse. Infertility is a disease that can affect many women. However, there is an age range where it is more common. About 10% of women, which is 6.5 million in the United States, ages 15 to 44 have difficulty getting pregnant or staying pregnant, according to the Centers of Disease and Prevention. There are 4 different risk factors that contribute to infertility. These include height, smoking, weight, smoking, alcohol, and stress. Prevention. In order to prevent being overweight, a person should be aware of what they eat and the amount they eat. As stated before, being overweight can lead to infertility, and eating healthy is one way to make sure to stay within the recommended weight. Prevention continued. Other ways to prevent infertility is to stop smoking and or limit the amount of time being exposed to the cigarette smoke, along with alcohol consumption. When a woman is trying to have a baby, they are advised to not drink. Last but not least, stress. Stress also plays a huge role in our everyday lives, and it has several side effects. Stress tends to have a high level of alpha amylase, which makes it hard for women to be able to get pregnant. Behavior change. In order to prevent infertility, there should be a behavior change, and one way of doing so is by becoming active. A human should eat the same amount of calories lost in a day to maintain an average weight. Statistics. Based on Centers Disease Control and Prevention, an adult should exercise for at least 2 hours and 30 minutes a week to reduce the amount of health disease such as infertility. When smoking cigarettes can come between folliculogenesis, embryo transplant, endometrial receptivity, uterine blood flow, and uterine myometrium, in which in some cases it can be irreversible, leading to infertility. Alcohol inhibits the release of hormones from the adrenal glands, which affects the health of the eggs. Current event. On February 9th, 2008, Independent News released a story media of how infertility has had a breakthrough because human eggs were grown in a lab for the very first time. This process was created so that women who have lost their fertility can have hope to one day become a mother. Professor Ellen Telfer stated, "If we can show these eggs are normal and can form embryos, then there are many applications for future treatments." Advocacy. We strongly believe that every woman who desires to have a child of their own should not give up no matter what the circumstances are. In order to be able to discover new and better ways to prevent infertility, money is needed. Research relies on money, and if we do not have donations, then we will not be able to help those women who need the help. Not only do your donations go to research, but it also goes to women who cannot financially receive infertility treatments. We should all help bring awareness to infertility in women before the amount of women who are affected by infertility goes up.